When you look into reincarnation, you discover something that the ancients knew.
Why do you think we're born without the memories of past lives? Because I feel like you're able to learn a lot from those lives, and most people don't ever get to know their past lives.
That's a great question. In a lot of cases, you come back with no memories, and as you grow consciously over time, coming back over and over again, you begin to realize you can regain or access some of those memories. So some people become what they call adept initiates. That's what Thoth called them in the Emerald Tablets. He's talking about having the ability to come back with the memories and also to incarnate at will. He says he can even incarnate on any dimension that he desires.
Wow.
So he's gotten to that level. So there seems to be levels to the game, but in the startup level, it seems like a person has to keep coming back over and over again, but they seem to in some ways get more mature in different areas as they continue to come back. It's almost like a way of teaching somebody to become better and higher knowledge without giving them any kind of clue and kind of almost letting them find their way. So it's an experiment.
Yeah.
And I think that the grand experiment is how many souls can rise to that higher level of consciousness to get to the higher dimensions. And people don't like the word experiment, but when you really analyze it, to me, it's really an experiment. It's a grand experiment. I mean, yeah. I'm not trying to take away anything from divinity or God or spirituality, because I believe in those things, but I'm just saying at the same time, this is a grand experiment unfolding right before our very eyes.